Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I also welcome you to today what mathematics class. So today we want to look how you can solve for this question. Okay? So this question states that what solve and check what s raised to power log of s minus 100 s is equal to what 0. So we want to find value what of s. So if this is your first time watching my video or visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button in case what we have a new video like this. So let's go. How you can solve this question? Okay, now the first thing to do here now, let's take this one, this side toward other part here. Let's take this one to the other part here. So when we take this other part here, we have our s with our log of what s equal to that's what 100 what s. And in this place now, this factor side can be expressed as what as a log of s with power what f is equal to this can be expressed as 10 100 times what s. So we are getting this. What we just do now is to take the log of what of both sides. So when you take the log of both sides now, we have our log log base 10 of s. Log of what s here is equal to we have our log of 100 multiplied by what log s. So you have to take the log of what of both sides now. So what we just do now, if you still remember what this expression now, this expression is in power of what or log what a. If you remember what the law of logarithm that states that if we have a log a with power b, it can also be expressed as what as b of log what a. So when you apply to this place now, this can also become as what as log of what log of base what s multiplied by what log of what base log of what s is equal to. Here we have our this one can also the interpret of this because 10 raised to power 2 can give us 10 raised to power 2 will also give us 100, right? So you can also express this one as well 100 is equal to what 10 raised to power 2. So when you put it here, we have our log of what base 10, we have 10 raised to power 2 multiplied by what a log of what s. So in this place now, since this one and this one they are the same, so this one and this one can multiply together. Here we give us what log of s square or base 10 is equal to this one can also give us this. You can interpret this one as this. That's a log of base 10 or 10 multiplied by log of s. So here, if you still remember the logarithm they have, if you still remember the logarithm law that says that if you have a log of 10 and but 10 it also gives us 1 because they have the same word, the same base and the word and the same for the index which gives us 1. So this 10 can cancel here, the answer gives us 1. So here now we have our word, this space is what we have 1. You have 1 at this space on 1 times 2 is also give us as what as 2. So this one can also become as a log of 10 s what square is equal to, in this place we have a 2 multiplied by what log of what s. So in this place I know this multiplication will change to what multiplication is changed to what plus, which is what additional. So let's first can also become as what log of 10 s raised to power 2 is equal to we have our 2 plus what log of what s. So in case this place now, get this place now, let's take this one to this side now. Let's bring all the right hand side to this left hand side there. So this one now becomes our log of base s is equal to what s squared. So when you take this on to this side, I have a log of what s, this one base 10 minus what 2. This one comes here to minus everything equal to what 0. So now we have got this thing down now. So if you look this one, this happens to what convert an equation where if you say that our log of, let's say that our log of base 10 of f is equal to s. Let's put it as s. So let's say that this one is equal to what s. So when you put this at this place, when you put this one at this place now, here this one now became what s what square minus here be what s. This one be what minus what 2 is equal to what 0. So now this is our list of what quadratic equation now. So we can use the factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. So if you want to factorize this one, this is the coefficient of a, the a here multiplied by this coefficient of s square multiplied by the c. That's what the coefficient of s square here is what is 1. So 1 multiplied by this c, that's what minus what 2. That gives us minus 2. So now what are the two numbers you multiply together? That give us what minus 2. At the same time you add it or subtract it. That will give us some minus 1. Yeah, that will give you the question of b. The question of b is minus 1. So what are the two numbers multiplied together that give what? This minus 2. At the same time, add it or subtract it that give us this minus 1. The number is what? We have 1 times minus 2, which gives us what? Minus 2. If you have 1 plus 2, that's sorry, 1 minus 2, that gives us minus 1. So here we'll be using what? 1 minus 2. So our expansion now is 1 minus 2. So now when you use to expand this one, we have our s squared You have what? Plus s. So let's put that what? Plus what? S minus what? 2s minus 2 is equal to what? 0. So now when you take this one into bracket, now let's bracket this one into deuces. Now you have s squared plus s, let's put it into bracket, minus, when you take minus outside now, you have your 2s, this one changed to what? Plus, s2 is equal to what? 0. So in this place, what is common to both sides here? You have s is common to both sides. Let's take the s outside, mean what? S here, this will mean what? Plus what? 1. Minus, what is common to both sides here? 2 is common to both sides. Let's take the 2 outside. Here we have what? S minus plus what? 1. Let's close bracket is equal to what? 0. So here, since this one and this one, they are the same now. This one, you can take this one outside. One of it, x plus 1, open bracket is what? And the same one, we have our s minus 2 is equal to what? 0. So let's take this one to be equal to be 0. Let's equate this one to be what? To be 0. So you have our s plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Or our s minus 2 is equal to what? 0. So in this place, now to get the value of this s now, you take this one to the other side. Now we have our s is equal to, this one will be what? Minus 1. Or our s is equal to what? Plus what? 2. That's what? 2. So I take this one to the other side, give us what? 2. So what is that they're saying? No, no, this our s is equal to what? Log of base what? Log of s. So now when you play this one by what? Log of s here. So this one can also become as this. So for this place now, since we have gotten our s is equal to what? Minus 1, and our second s is equal to what? Minus is equal to minus what? Is equal to 2 rather. So now when you say this one log of s is equal to of this, according to what we did here. So our s is replaced by what? This. Here we have our log of what? Our base s, base 10, s is equal to minus 1, or log s is equal to 2. So here now, as always to remember the law of logarithm that states that if we have a log of a with power, the log of a is equal to what? B. This one can also be interpreted as what? As a is equal to 10 raised power what? Of b. 10 raised power what? Of b. So if we apply what? This expression to this or this place now, so our s is equal to what? It will be what? 10 raised power what? Minus 1. Or our s here, sorry, is equal to 10 raised power what? 2. So in this place now, 10 raised power minus 1 is equal to what? S is equal to 1 over what? 3. This one can also be expressed as a 1 over what? 10. Or this one can also be expressed because s squared is equal to what? And 10 raised power 2, that's what? 100. Our s is equal to what? 100. So the value of s here is equal to 1 over 10, or s is power what? 100. So that is value of what? Of s. So let's check it. Maybe our answer is correct. So s is equal to what? 100. So let's use this one to check it. Maybe this s raised power log of s minus s minus 100 s is equal to what? 0. Maybe you give us our 0. So let's do it what? The check. Because this question is what you should solve and what? And check. So let's do the checking now. So now when you say our s is equal to what? 100. So let's put 100 here. We have our log. We have s here. We have 100 with our log of what? That's s. That's the log of 100 minus. Here we have what? 100 multiplied by what? 100. So let's do it then. Maybe this one will be what? It will be equal to what? The 0 here. So let's solve this one. Maybe this one will be equal to 0. So in this place, now what we just do here is to take the log. Take the log of what? Of both sides. When you take the log of both sides here, we have a what? Our log of what? 100 with power what? Log of 100 minus we have log of what? 100 here multiplied by what? Log of what? 100. So in this place now, this multiplication will change to addition. This is multiplication will change to addition. So okay, before you imply that one, if you still remember the law of logarithm I told you, so this one will come to this place now will become as what? Log of what? 100 multiplied by what? Log of 100 minus log of 100 multiplied by what? Log of what? 100. So in this place now, we can also be expressing this as this because also be expressing this on this. Here we have what? This multiplication here will change to what? Plus. Multiplication here will change to what? Plus. So when you have this one become what? Log of what? Log of 100 plus log of 100 minus log of 100 plus log of 100. So here of 100, log of 100 plus log of 100, that's of 2 what? Log 100 minus log plus 100 plus log of 100, that's of 2 what? Log 100. So here we have what? Log minus 2 log 100 minus 2 log 100. This one give us what? As what? 0. So it means that our value of our s is what? Is correct. So value of s is what? Is equal to 1 over 10, and value of s is equal to what? 100. So that is how to check it, since this equation now leads to what? 0. So it means that this our answer what? Is correct. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the notification button, and in case we have a new video like this. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.